Guess we just dive right in. So yeah, get her going good. So we are going to build a full back end, full front end, see how much we could pump out in this little bit of time I got. And we're gonna dive right in, get right into server. If I could summarize it real quick. Yeah, we're gonna build a server from scratch. Then we're gonna build a Next.js application. See how far we can get. I figure this is a good thing to stick on the resume, to just highlight, to showcase the skills that I talk about, that I have. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bear with me. Bear with me. Is this recording? Yeah. Yeah, let's dive in. No time to waste. See how fast we can build it. Alright. Number one. We're gonna jump right in DigitalOcean. Make a droplet, host the server, $5 per month server. Latest version to buy in. DigitalOcean's cool. AWS is cool too. Azure's alright. AWS has hundreds of things to stick on. Droplets here are more price affordable. There's load balancing and everything too. And you could deploy straight from a marketplace, which is like an image, WordPress on it. There's Node ones, Docker ones, there's pre-built ones. But we're gonna make one from scratch. It doesn't take too long. I've literally made like over 100, maybe 200 limb stacks in my life. You know, trial and error back in the day. Yeah, let's dive in. Oh my god, did they go up to 6 per month? No, there's still 5. Okay. That would be something. That would be something. Well, hi, my name's Dakota. Yeah, doing this video just in case any devs want to check out how I code, how much knowledge I have. The backend, TBH, the backend, I've done so many backends. I have a little cheat sheet. I'll be copy pasting a lot of the backend, but the front end, when I get over to the app itself in VS Code, it's going to be all out of the blue. Alright, so we're cool. We'll start. We'll host it in New York. Let's stick in SSH. Let's put IPv6 in there. User data monitoring. We're gonna do keys later. The A keys and the AAA keys and the. I'll show you. Maybe this is less talking, more. I should be trying to pump it out as quick as I can. Okay, let's just do monitoring and IPv6. Monitoring's cool. Alright, which key? Let's make a new key. Alright. We're gonna upload a new key. And for that, PuTTY. PuTTY Gen. Alright, yeah, PuTTY Gen's cool. It does a bunch of different types. There's EDs, but stick with RSA. I would 4,000 it, but 2,000 is good enough. Especially because this is a test server and I'm gonna throw it down eventually. Alright, let's get going. Boobity 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 boop 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 boo. Take the comment off of it. Throw passphrase on the file. We're gonna SSH into the server. This is the only token to get into the server. Alright. Save private. Straight to desktop, why not? Private key. We're gonna export SSH key also for a few things that use SSH keys. Let's name it anything. Alright. Copy that, stick it on the droplet. Name. Oh my god. Format type key comment. No, we don't need comments for this. Are you kidding me? That's funny. Okay, let's try again. Without the space? No, there's no space. Name key. If I have to stick a comment on and go into this server and remove it and change the key. Oh, what a pain in the butt. Ah. Oh wait, did I really not? Okay, I'm something, huh? Didn't copy it all. Control A is a friend. We like them. Okay, droplet. I do have an extra domain pointed towards DigitalOcean. I will use this domain for the entirety of this video or series. It is healthy cows.xyz. A little extra $1 per year domain. I just checked. Namecheap's pointing it over to the server here. Hostname, we're gonna make an Nginx reverse proxy. So we need the hostname, fully qualified domain name up in here. So to start, we don't need backups because we can make images, and this is a PuTTY throwaway or tags. So let's create it, SSH in it, and get started. We're gonna make a limp stack. We're gonna throw node on it. We're gonna throw a few more things in there. Some spam filters. We might take spam filter off. Some security practices. We're gonna get it up to A+ SSL standards. A bunch of standards. HIPAA, PCI DSS compliance. We're gonna throw MTA STS in there. Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch, but let's jump in. I don't know if we need this, and I forgot the timestamp. I gotta remember these timestamps because I have to go back. And I'm gonna have to make an index with all the timestamps at the beginning of the video, which I'm sure in the future you already saw. So, 8 minutes. Okay, I gotta get my mindset wrapped around timestamps. Every task I do, I'm going to need to look at the time, write it down. So, PuTTY, 8:25. Wrong one. That's not PuTTY. That is SFPT. PuTTY. 8:35. Initial connect. I have to save this because I control S out of memory, muscle memory. Desktop. Doesn't matter, it's deleted. Alright, faster. Let's make a new PuTTY config. We're going to copy our host name. We're going to port 22 for the file transfer test. Let's just name it. Good practice. Okay, save. We're going to put the auth private key, find the private key, SSH. It's on the desktop. Okay, session, we'll save. In case we need to go back in. Initial connect. Timestamp 9:41. Initial connect. This is always what happens when you get in here. 9:41. SSH. Login as root. So for this video, we're gonna log in as root. Usually you disable root. and sudo the rest of it. Passphrase. Oops. Oops. Alright. We're in there. Alright. So we're going to start off. Like I said, I'm going to be going through my normal with building limps, which I have. And so let's find out the hosts, if they're correct. Nano hosts. Oh, never mind. I'm going to be typing a lot of this, but I'm going to be copy pasting a lot of it. Hostname, host. Host, it's reverse proxied, kind of, almost reverse proxied, right off rip. First thing we do want to do, right when we get in here, we're going to generate urandom keys on the server for our passwords, because we like 256 character passwords, except for the database, Maria database, we're going to put on here 79 max. Other than that, it's 256 a few. Okay. We're gonna save these. We'll put them in later. One of them for an admin password, which for something called ISP config that we're gonna put in. ISP config is awesome with Nginx. You don't have to go into the server blocks with Nginx, make symbolic links from pages available and pages posted kind of stuff. It manages it helps you make server blocks with a UI, and it is it's awesome. It helps you do a lot. We'll get there. I'll show you. We're gonna go into Nginx configs regardless, but alright, let's configure the hosts. Actually, let's get to pasting. That's what we're here for. Host file. We're going to need to change this to the IP, quit save. Check the host name. We're going to have to restart the server in a second. Host name is right. Alright, let's make sure let's just do time zone. Time zone I always do first when I get in here. Just to reconfigure it. Just to make sure. US Eastern and boot. Alright. I wonder what I should be timestamping here. The main stuff. This is intro, first SSH stuff.